Hello students, we are going to discuss about effect of meteorology on air pollution. What is meteorology? Study of the atmosphere, atmosphere phenomena and atmosphere effect on our weather. How is meteorology useful? Meteorology is important because of the impact of air conditions on life. First of all, weather forecasting has vital role in urban administration. Cities preparing extremely weather conditions such as snowstorm in order to prevent disaster. Second thing, long-term weather forecasting is important for agriculture. What does a meteorologist do every day? Meteorologists study and predict weather and climate. They analyze the relationship between the weather and other environmental process and observe the impact of weather and climate on people, animals and plants. Introduction. Earth atmosphere about 100 miles deep, 95 weight percentage of air within 12 miles. That air only we breathe. That air have the pollutant air as well as pollutant we emit. This is called troposphere. There we have weather and air pollution problem. There are three problems. Three parts of problem. An air pollution problem involve three parts. First one, pollution source. Second one, movement or dispersion of the pollutant. Third one, recipient. The transport of the pollutant is determined by meteorological conditions. What are the meteorological conditions? Pressure, temperature, humidity, wind pattern, dust particle and rainfall. Meteorology. It is a scientific study of Earth atmosphere that specifically focus on weather and climate. What is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is nothing but short-term state of atmosphere. Climate is nothing but long-term pattern of atmosphere. Meteorology variables: temperature, pressure, humidity, wind pattern, dust particle and rainfall. One by one we will discuss. First one, temperature. During temperature inversion, cold air is trapped near the ground by the layer of warm air. What is temperature inversion? It is called thermal inversion. Reversal of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere. The meaning of thermal inversion: the region of the atmosphere nearest Earth's surface. The warm air acts as a lid holding the substance down. In this period, carbon monoxide level will be increased and affect the human health. Second variable, pressure. Earth atmosphere exerts a pressure on the surface. Area of high and low pressure are caused by ascending and descending air. Air warm, it ascends leading to low pressure at the surface. Air cool, it descends leading to high pressure at the surface. Next variable, humidity. Humidity and temperatures are inversely proportional. What is humidity? Increase the vapor content. If the water vapor content stays the same and the temperature drops, the relative humidity increases. If the water vapor content stays the same and the temperature rises, the relative humidity decreases. This is because cooling air does not require as much moisture to become saturated as warmer air. Next variable, wind pattern. It is mostly affected by desert areas due to wind pattern. The dust storms are formed to affect the climate. Next one, rainfall. Due to change in temperature, the rainfall will affect some countries get more rainfall, some countries get less rainfall. Cyclone. Due to the barometric pressure, barometric is nothing but atmospheric pressure, the cyclone is created. Air movement in the north hemisphere, this is the anticlockwise direction. Condensation and precipitations are created. These are the phase change operation. Vapor is converted into liquid, that is condensation. Air movement in the south hemisphere is clockwise direction. This is called cyclone and anticyclone. Cyclone is a low pressure system, whereas anticyclone is a high pressure system. During cyclone, the rainfall will be high. In anticyclone, there is no rainfall. Prevention. Plant more trees, reduce industrial pollution, reduce smoking, create more awareness among people. Stop chopping the forest. Thank you for your attention.